This is Paso side mirror auto flip. So we connect these 3 wire with the original wire. These 3 we connect to these 3 same color, and then we connect these 2 wire for the signal. So this one is the original MIDI cable, the side mirror cable. These 2 is for the signal. This one is for the up down, for the control the main mirror. Okay, so this one is the auto flip cable. Okay, so this one is the extra, so you need to make your own cable to the switch. Flip control wire. The switch. So this is my original MIDI. So got 5 wire here, 5 cable. So original just have 5 cable. But the Paso one got extra 2 for this is for the auto flip. Okay, so you need to make it 2 here, go to the switch. This is the MIDI original switch. Okay. So you got 7 cable. This one have 9 cable. Just plug and play. The color is same, you just flow back the color. Okay. Then here got extra 2 cable for the switch, for the mirror, for the side mirror. Okay, to close up the mirror. So this one is for the left, this one is for the right. Okay, for the cable from here. Okay, the extra one. Okay, so we connect the cable, these 2 come back together, and we connect to the switch. Yeah! Alright.